Hi guys and girls, this is just a quick example and tutorial on how to make an introduction video for when you apply for a job in China. The purpose of the video is to show your employer that you are fun and energetic but still professional. There are 5 main things your employer will be looking for. The first one is that you can dress smart. And the second thing is that you can speak loud and clear. The third one is that you can use your hands and use hand gestures. And the fourth and final one is that you are lively and energetic. Not like that. And now for what to say. Keep your video short, 1 to 2 minutes maximum, and in the following format. First, your name and age. Second, your nationality. Thirdly, talk about your qualifications and your education. Fourth, relevant work experience. And lastly, and very importantly, talk about why you are looking forward to coming to China. Great, and here's an example. Hi everyone, I'm David Bradfield. I'm South African and I'm 25 years old. I have a bachelor's degree in investment management and I have experience coaching tennis to kids aged 5 to 12. I'm really looking forward to coming to China and I want to learn the language. I'm interested in the cuisine. It sounds really exciting. Hope to see you soon.